Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Eddie H. Hernilia. I'm Mary Althea Bigante, and for today's video, I would like to present my report about mathematics printing press and beyond. The printing of important mathematics texts leads the way to the scientific revolution. By the late 15th century, the scholars of Europe were poised to fully reclaim the classical mathematical heritage that was nurtured and expanded by Islamic scholars and reintroduced into the West in the 13th century. Crucial in the growth of the mathematics of the period was the publication of mathematical texts. These texts helped pave the way for the growth of commerce and the onset of the scientific revolution. So, it leads the way to the scientific revolution. Kaya noong 15th century, binawi ng scholar ng Europa ang klasikal na pamana sa matematika na pinalawak ng scholar ng Islam. At ang mga tekstong ito ay nakatulong sa paglago at pagsisimula sa tinatawag na scientific revolution. What is printing press? The printing press is a device that allows for the mass production of uniform printed matter. It mainly takes the form of books, pamphlets, and newspaper. It was created in China. The printing press revolutionized society there before further developed in Europe in the 15th century by Johannes Gutenberg Press. Ito daw po ay nilikha sa China before umunlad sa Europa by Johannes Gutenberg. When was the printing press invented? No one knows when the first printing press was invented or who invented it, but the oldest printed text originated in China. During the first millennium after that, the Diamond Sutra, a Buddhist book from Don Huang, China from around 868 after that, during the Tang Dynasty, is said to be the oldest known printed book. So, wala daw po nakakaalam kung kailan in-invent yung printed text, pero ito po ay nagmula sa China. The Diamond Sutra was created with a method known block printing, which utilized panels of hand-curved wood blocks in reverse. Some other texts have survived Dunhuang as well, such as mathematics chart, a vocabulary guide, etiquette instruction, funeral guides, wedding guides, children educational materials, dictionaries, and almanacs. It was during this period of early printing that rolled-up schools began to replace by book formatted text. Woodblock printing was also used in Japan and Korea that time. So, yung ibig sabihin po ng woodblock, ang woodblock printing po, ito yung proseso ng printing text, images, or ibang mga patterns. So, what changes did the printing press bring about? In the 15th century, an innovation enabled people to share knowledge more quickly and widely. Civilization never looked back. Knowledge is a power, as the saying goes. And the invention of the mechanical movable type of printing press helped disseminate wider and faster than before. Yung changes daw po dito printing press bring is, mas napadali po yung pagbabahagi ng kaalaman na mas mabilis at malawak kung ikukumpara ito sa dati. How did the printing press affect technology? The printing press reduced the cost of transmitting information between cities, but fostered new face-to-face interactions and localized collaborations. Ang printing press daw po ay binabawasan nito ang pagpapadala ng mga impormasyon sa pagitan ng mga lungsod. Ngunit nagtataguyod ng mga bagong harapang pagkikipag-ugnayan at mga lokal na eskwelados. How did the printing press change education? The invention of printing press made possible the production of identical books. Now that the access to information was open to the public, knowledge spread rapidly, and the shifts to print relates to change in society in terms of education. So, ang pag-iimbento daw po ng printing press ay naging posible sa paggawa ng pagkakatulad ng mga libro. At dahil bukas na ito sa publiko, ang kaalaman ay mas mabilis na kumalat at dahil dito mas napapadali ang larangan ng edukasyon. Why printing press important in a modern society? The printing press allows us to share large amount of information quickly and a huge number. In fact, the printing press is so significant that it has come to be known as one of the most important inventions of our time. It drastically changed the way society evolved. So, ito po ay importante, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Dahil ang printing press po ay isa sa pinakamahalagang na imbento sa ating panahon, dahil sa tulong nito, binago nito ng husto ang paraan ng pag-unlad ng lipunan. That's the end of my report. Now, let us proceed to the assessment. Please answer these questions. Number 1. What is the usefulness of printing press or printing technology to you as students? Number 2. Why printing press or printing technology is important in today's generation? Thank you for listening and cooperation. God bless us and keep safe.